one sale after another sale, and these sales keep on going on and on and on. So obviously someone is making some money. In this video, I will show you how to make money with NFTs as a complete beginner, even if you have no knowledge in digital art. If you're not sure what NFTs are, that's of course a shortening that we're not gonna bother even remember the name because it doesn't say anything and you're not gonna remember anyway. It means basically something unique, some kind of art that exists online. And it's some kind of art that you can collect yourself. Remember when you were 11 or 12-year-old and were collecting, let's say, football cards? That's exactly the same. You want to collect something unique, something that would make your collection larger and greater, and the same is with buying NFTs. And to make money on NFTs, you don't necessarily have to know how to create them in digital softwares, so you don't have to create any NFTs yourself. In this video, I will show you how you can make money with NFTs using what we call minting. And I will show you how you can mint specific NFTs in that way that you can make money yourself. Welcome everyone, my name is AGNES and I teach you here how to make money online, in this case about the NFTs, which are so popular at the moment. Don't worry, I know where you are, you're probably looking for. I've been online already for a good couple of years, found the way to make multiple income sources to earn online. That's why I want to show you how you can do it too. On this channel you will find plenty information about how to start making money online as a complete beginner. Let's dive into the topic. But don't worry, I will try to keep this video very simple so you can understand as a complete beginner. And I have a surprise for you. Once a week I choose a lucky person from my subscribers who subscribe and comment under my videos. So who knows, maybe this time it will be you. So don't forget about the link with the giveaway. Okay, let's jump straight into this tutorial. So first thing that you have to do is to go to a website called Metamask. Metamask is some kind of a virtual wallet that you must install. You have the choice to install it either on Chrome or Android, but I strongly recommend to install it actually on a Chrome. So what Metamask will do, it will be your wallet to actually purchase NFTs in the future. I will show you in a second how to do it safely, don't worry. So all you have to do is just press that button, add as a Chrome extension, and that's what you're supposed to do now. Just add as your Chrome extension to your browser. So I recommend you to put some money on your wallet, on your MetaMask extension, to be able to purchase some NFTs in order to do minting. But don't worry if you feel confused about setting up a MetaMask, because you will get straightforward instructions step by step what to do next to set up your MetaMask wallet properly. So definitely don't panic. It's very simple to do it, just follow the instructions. You can actually buy directly some Ethereum to have it on your MetaMask wallet, or you can use as well the link, straightforward link, or the QR code to have that transaction done safely. First question you may probably ask, where can I sell or even buy any NFTs? So the most popular website is called Opensea. So the next thing you have to do is to go to a website called Opensea and open your account over. it will be as well kind of straightforward process. And you will be actually able to connect your MetaMask wallet with an Opensea account. So whenever you want to make a purchase of an NFT, then you will have your wallet basically there to buy NFTs using Ethereum. And over there in your profile, you will have basically your profile, your collections, your general account. And you will find plenty of collections over there. Not all pieces of art are the same price. Usually one collection has always something in common. Usually there is one kind of creature that is in all the pictures nearly the same, but has some different attributes. Let's say wears glasses, colorful glasses or more funky glasses, hat or no hat, some kind of weapons, or some different very unique uniform, and that all makes those arts very unique. To be honest, you can even calculate their uniqueness score. So the more profit you can make on NFTs that are more unique than others. Okay, Agnes, I know where people are buying, and that's a good thing, but how actually should I choose the right NFT to buy to be able to resell it for more? That's a good question. And that's what minting is about. You buy NFTs on so-called pre-launch stage, where basically it's a bit of surprise like what you're buying when not many people have access to those NFTs really yet. And then you are able to resell that NFT, but you must be very careful how to buy it. And just right now, I will explain you what is important to have a look at when you are doing your NFT research. The next website that you should go to is Rarity.tools. And when you come up here, you should press the button upcoming, where you will find all the upcoming NFTs. And here they are. First, from the top, just randomly. Of course, when you look at those NFTs, it's the best to buy the NFTs that you kind of gonna like, you think they are cool, you would buy maybe yourself. So it's good to have a look on the NFTs yourself. Just from random reasons, I will take first from the top and try to talk a little bit more about them. So let's have a look here. First, we're gonna go to the website, which is here, and we can see that there is a button mint your NFT, and that's what we want to do, mint NFT. You see there are only 8 NFTs available. The website straight away connects me to Metamask, which I don't have installed here. And here's the question, how many do you want? So you can buy all 8, 1, and then press my NFT. And that basically straight away the money will go from your MetaMask wallet, which when you buy them, you will be able to see those NFTs in your portfolio on Opensea. This is how it looks, but then we want to check their Twitter, if that's kind of, is the seller someone who you are able to trust. There are other links. It looks for me pretty much okay. There are nearly 15,000 followers. I would try to keep below 10,000 followers, because above that number a big fish may snap your NFTs. And I will always look at the activity. on social media, whether the sellers are active, they respond to the comments. That's a good sign whenever you can see the activity on social media. But definitely I would keep an eye on those NFTs at least a week before the launch, just to see really if the sellers are trying to all the time be active and respond, or it is just the reaction before the end of the sale day. So be alert from that reason and check social media. And the next thing that we have to do, so we check the website, we check the Twitter, and we have to check Discord. Then we will have a look at this account, Media Origins, where is exactly what I'm talking about, is a pre-launch stage of NFTs where you can buy, so do your minting basically. And they are still quite good prices to purchase. To be honest, they increased from the last time I look at it. It's only because it's probably today the last day of minting, not because the sale will end soon. But you can have a look on them at Discord. But what I would do, I would go to announcements and look as well on the announcements if the sellers are active over there and whether they respond to people's comments or questions. That's a very important, something very important for me, whether there is engagement on social medias about those NFTs, about if there is any buzz, so-called, if the social media are just buzzing about those NFTs, that's a good sign. But I will try to keep it somewhere in a soft spot and definitely would have an eye on sellers that have followers below 10,000 and something above 5,000. That's kind of my sweet spot. Plus, if they are active, that's the main thing. What is cool about that Rarity website is that you can actually see the Rarity score of NFTs. So let's have a look at that NFT, Media Origins 401, and at the moment its current price is 0.23 ETH, which is nearly $600. Of course, it all depends on the value of the ETH current value. And down there, we can see that someone minted it 5 days ago, as I showed you. This seller was doing minting for quite some time, and I know today is the end of sale, end of that minting, and people already started selling those minted NFTs 5 days ago. And because I assume there was a massive drop down yesterday of crypto coins, it's caused by current war Ukraine. It probably had the influence on the value of crypto, of course. That's why we can see the drop of prices here. But then we can see today the prices are going up. What's cool about the other website that I just mentioned about is, although you can't yet see the picture here and see the rarity score of that NFT, you can basically copy that number of NFT, go to that website, press that button here, Mix Martina Art Club, and here you can see the projects, because Mix Martina Art Club, that's something what I've been looking at probably recently. I just put up here the number 401 that I'm looking at and press look up, and here I can see how that NFT looks like, plus the rarity score is 200. So let's have a look at some examples. Let's say this Ape Teen Club, we see that it's worth 0.05 ETH, which is $129 at the moment. Of course, the prices change depending on whether NFTs go up or down. let's say at the moment that's the current price in dollars. And as I said before about football cards, that the rarer the card is, the more valuable it is. And the same is with NFTs. When we scroll down, we can see properties. And if you have a look at the background, it's a goldish, so it's 6% have this trait from the whole collection, so that's kind of rare. Then quartz, it's the body, it's 10% have this. Hoodie only 4%, glasses only 2%, eyes 3%. So this ape looks pretty rare, and that means that probably it can be worth a little bit more because it has some rare properties. We can see that there is 0.049 ETH as a floor price. That means that the cheapest NFT from this collection starts at that price. And at the moment there are already 329 owners, and there are 25,000 of items available. So that's how you can make money with NFTs, not creating them from scratch yourself, just by minting, studying all the upcoming NFTs, trying to get the best NFTs that will be the rarest one, and buy or do so-called minting after your careful research. I hope that video was a value for you. If it was, don't forget to put your thumbs up and subscribe if you wish to watch more of that content in the near future. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Show me the